Hi, everybody. It's Tony Robbins.
Dean Graziosi.
Listen, you look outside right now, or you look at our economy, and the weather's looking pretty nice, right? And it feels like fall. Fall is a reaping time. We all know the different seasons. Springtime, you plant like crazy, you work hard, things start to grow. Summer, it gets hot and sticky, and you're like, where's the crop? But if you do your job in the springtime and you make it through that summertime, you get to fall. You have these great reaping times where things kind of flow, and the economy is there right now. But, the economy doesn't stay in any one place. The seasons change. And what follows fall, obviously, in that autumn and that reaping time is winter. And winter's coming, and that's not an HBO special we're talking about here. But some of you know I spent the last, say, 7-8 years interviewing some of the smartest financial people in the world, the Ray Dalias, the Carl Icahns, the Warren Buffetts. And nobody knows when the economy's going to change, but we all know it can't last forever. We're in the middle still of the longest bull market in history. So what are you going to do when the market changes? And what do you want to do before it changes to take advantage of where we are? There is an industry that is growing geometrically that Dina and I have been in for over 60 years. And tell them what the numbers are and what's happening.
Yeah, what are you doing when the economy shifts that's future-proof? That is the knowledge industry. And here's some crazy facts. The knowledge industry barely existed 40 years ago. Especially when you started 40 years ago.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, I'm saying, you were 10.
You old person.
You were 10. But when you started, it wasn't
True.
Cool. It wasn't cool, just being honest. It wasn't growing. But now, Forbes said by 2025, it'll be $1 billion a day industry. So it's, as you said, geometrically growing. And then when the economy shifts, it's future-proof because that's when people and businesses seek out specialized knowledge. Napoleon Hill said it the best in 1937. General knowledge, no matter how wide, how vast, it won't get you to where you want to go. You need specialized knowledge that goes deep. So when this economy shifts, and again, we're not economists, but we've had the longest bull market in history. When this economy shifts, people are going to be looking for specialized knowledge, and you have the opportunity to share that with them. You could share a skill, a hobby, a passion, an expertise you have, make an impact on their lives, or in fact, you can even be the reporter of other people's knowledge. There's never been a better time to look into the knowledge industry, and we're so excited. We are doing it again. You probably saw last year, we went live. We had over 200,000 people show up. A lot of people had FOMO that they missed it. Well, we're going live again February 27th. And we'd love to invite you. On this page here, you can click the link and reserve your spot. Put it in your phone. You're not going to want to miss out. If the economy goes up, down, or sideways, have something where you can make an impact.
It's also really, we both had the privilege for decades to be able to do things that we love. Anybody can go and figure out how to sell widgets, but we got to do things that were meaningful to us. Be able to really see somebody change their life, to help them, not some phony, positive thinking stuff, but real strategies and tools.
There's already 20,000 people a part of this family, and every niche you could possibly imagine, the weirdest niches, the most common ones, anything you can imagine, people are extracting what they know. They're sharing it. They're making an impact. And here's even better. Is people are finding a purpose. This is an opportunity to have a lot of that all in one, and we're so excited. We're going live again, and we'd hate for you to miss out. So take the time right now, click the link, go to the page, reserve your spot, and then put it in your phone, write it on the wall, do whatever you got to do to show up, because there's nothing like live. It's just the energy and the ability to ask us questions. I don't know if it'll happen again until a year after that. So click the link, reserve your spot, and we'll see you live.
Blessings to you. We'll see you then.